Well, hello and welcome to my channel. Age is just a number, and my name is Barbara Jean. This is a channel for women over 40, over 50, over 60, over 70 and beyond who have a love of fashion and beauty. And today it is about a beautiful piece of fashion. Yes, I am so very excited to share with you today a gift that I received from a company called Teddy Blake. They invited me to pick out one of their handbags that I could share, I could review and share with you. And oh man, I've seen these handbags before and they are just flippin' beautiful. They are all handcrafted, made in Italy, and they are just so gorgeous. So I'm going to do an unboxing and I want you to see it as I take it out, because I just want you to share the experience with me and see what you think of this handbag as well too. So I was very drawn to one specific handbag, and I'll share that one with you in a minute. I went the safe route and went with the one that I thought that I would probably wear or use all year long and wear with just about anything. So let's get started on the unboxing. All right, let's get into this. I'm so excited. So it comes in a big brown box, like so. All right, here we go. All right, first thing on top is, let's see, the box is a box it's a tight box inside of a tight box. Okay. And it's upside down. All right, here is, the box is in really good condition. Even the outer box was in good condition, but it comes like this, big white box with the Teddy Blake New York on it. And then it opens up here. Oh, nice box. And turn that back here so you can see. Teddy Blake New York, designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. Love that. All right, we've got some paper in here. It's not tissue paper, it's just the regular like packing type paper, but it is a little bit of a yellow. And then here's the bag. I'm so excited. It's got bubble wrap around it and plastic. So, all right, it's like Christmas. All right, I'm going to take it out of the plastic. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to set this down so I can use this so it's in frame. Okay, so bubble wrap is off. Save that. And then it comes in this beautiful little dust bag with black drawstrings. Teddy Blake, New York. Going to open it up. All right. And here we go. All right. This is Ava. Meet my new friend, Ava. Ava is the 11-inch, and this is the croc embossed. This is a taupe color. The website actually calls it beige, which I thought it was going to be a little bit lighter, but this is fine. It's a perfect nude color, and it's got the information on it right here. I'm going to see if I can bring it a little bit closer. As it. Okay. Here, I'm just going to bring it closer so you can see. Here we go. See this beautiful croc embossed print? And it's got the Teddy Blake in gold right here. Very, very lightly. So if you're not one that likes to show a lot of monograms, and because you know some people just don't want to wear designer logos to advertise. Some people are into that and some people are not. But this is this beautiful little bag. It's got back here, we're going to start back here. It's got Teddy Blake again back here on the zipper. And compartment right here. Zipper. It's new, so it's a little stiff. I may have to put a little bit of stuff on it, but it's got gold hardware, and even the hardware up here on the top has got Teddy Blake on it. And the handle is the perfect little carry handle. Now inside of it, because it is a crossbody, so we're going to look at that here in a second too, but to open the purse, it's a little different. It's just you open up like this and flip it open, and inside is the shoulder strap and the stuffing paper, which I keep to put in when I'm not carrying it. And so here is a look of the inside. Look how roomy that is. The smell of leather. Okay, it's got in here another little pocket, and then it's got another zipper compartment right here as well too. So the reason I chose this size of bag is because I am only 5'2", and large bags overwhelm me. Now there are times to where you want a larger tote, you know, for business, carrying different things, whether you're a mother and you've got multiple things to carry. I chose this. This could be a very elegant, but it could also be everyday. This is just a good classic color and will go with so many things. So let's see what the strap looks like. It is we've got two things in here. This is a little fob that comes. And before I put that on here, I want to show you this. This is so cute. It's got the little lock here, okay? get this right around the right way. It's got the little lock, and you put this around the strap. Now, and it's got on the back of the lock, Teddy Blake, New York. I don't know if you can see that for the shininess of it. And in here, are the keys to the little lock. Isn't that precious? So, if you wanted to lock this, I don't know why you would. I don't know the purpose of this, but it makes a pretty detail. So we'll go with that. Sorry about that. Phone rang. So let's get back. All right, so I've got the strap here, and so it's got the adjustable holes on here, so if I need to make it longer, it's got 2 extra ones if I need to, yeah, right there, if I need to make it longer, or if I want to shorten it as well too. It's got 2 clips on the end here. So we're going to put this on the handles real quick. And what I've done, I've already put the little tag on here, the little lock and the key keeper on here. So I'm going to turn it around to the front. Now, make sure I get this right here. All right, it's got the little clip here, so we're going to clip, if my hands will work. Ah, they're not wanting to work. All right, maybe I'll just do it this way. My hands are not working this morning. Oh my goodness. There it goes. Okay, I'm trying to make it much more difficult than it is. Make sure I get this right here. And I think it toggles around, so I don't think it's that big of a difference. Okay, maybe that one went on a lot quicker. All right, so here we go. Here is it with the shoulder strap, so you can carry it either way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some outfits of how I styled this beautiful little girl, and we'll come back and talk about it. All right, I hope you enjoyed that, the unboxing and the outfits. This little Ava is a treasure. a treasure to, oh God, this leather just smells so wonderful. So yes, so this is her up close and personal. Well, you saw it on there before, but she is just, she is lovely, just lovely. Now, I did mention at the beginning that there was one that I was so drawn to. I'm going to put it right up here. Now, this one is the Kim in the croc, and it's 11 inch as well too. But my God, that color, can you just see that color? For fall and during the holidays, be still my heart. I mean, I mean, that is just, it's just fabulous. But all their purses are fabulous. It was so hard deciding, but that one I was just so, and yeah, I was enamored with it. And she's just absolutely beautiful and is definitely a showstopper. So, but this is the one that I have, and she is lovely, and she is the perfect one for every day all year long. So I just love her. I just stinking love her. So, all right, they have graciously given me a coupon down below for $30 off. They usually have some sales going on. So down below in the description box is the information on Teddy Blake, their website, the URL, the coupon code for the $30 off as well too. And go check out their website. They have got so many beautiful handbags in just every color possible that you would be drawn to. Now, these are not, you know, the vegan handbags. These are real leather Italian handbags. I mean, these rival the big designers, because that's where the big designer handbags are made as well too. So they're just gorgeous. So you have got to go see them. And let me know if you have seen one up close and personal, or if you have one. You know, this is just one of those splurge on yourself type things that you deserve it. And remember what I tell you, you know, that you are worth it. So go check it out and see what you think, and I'd love to hear your feedback on that. So enjoy the code, ladies. I'm going to get out of here, but before I do, I'm going to tell you, what am I going to tell you? I'm going to tell you every day, every stinking day, to get up and show up, because you are worth it, and Ava is too. All right, ladies, have a blessed one. I'll see you in my next video.